It's time for the next upgrade, which is adding a sound system. All the parts and equipment that I'm going to need are on this table. So I got my subwoofer right here. This is the subwoofer I'm going to use. This is the amplifier I'm going to use. And for the loudspeakers, I'm going to use these ones, these motorbike speakers. These ones are going to go perfectly with the subwoofer as well. Then I have these bulbs that I'm going to add as well. Then this is going to be the new speaker box. Yeah, that's all. And then we go back here. I need to do more wiring. I need to tap power from the front LEDs and tap power from the rear LEDs as well. Then tap power from the battery as well and extend it as well. That's all the wiring I need to do. It's not that much. So let's begin. Everything is installed. At the rear, I installed a rear bulb so it shines light downwards so you can see it from the back. And then I also added my old LED antenna as well. And then I installed the two side mirror speakers, installed the amplifier there. Then I installed the subwoofer on the bonnet, installed another bulb right there, and then installed a dome over the speaker. This dome will act like the subwoofer box. As you can see, everything is installed. Now, if I open the door like that, I have my two switches. Now, the first one will switch on everything. Boom. Oh yeah. So we got the LEDs going, the rear light shining, the front dome LED light shining as well, the car bulbs as well shining, the amplifier, switch it on there, boom, it works just perfectly. That's everything done. Building a monster RC car is finally finished. So also in front I have these car bulbs as well. Then I have these reflectors that I made out of soda cans. So I cut up soda cans, gave it a spray paint, and then installed them around the car bulbs. And that's everything explained. This car is also remote controlled, so I can drive it around. Now let's test out the subwoofer and speaker systems. So I just need to switch that on right there. The amplifier is on, as you can see. Then I just need to connect to the amplifier. Okay, I have connected to the amplifier, but let me just show you around the car. As you can see, this is what it looks like. There we go. Yep. That's everything. So let's test out the sound system. So I just press play. There we go. The music is going. Turn this knob for the two side speakers. As you can see, the speakers also have built-in lights, so that's a bonus. Alright, time for the subwoofer. that's what it sounds like. It's time to test it out at night so you can see all the lights in action. Let's go. Right, so it's night time and now I'm driving the car like an RC car. As you can see, if I look the other way, it's dark. Okay, so let's begin the driving. It's quite fast, as you can see. Turn this way. Okay. Now it's time to test out the lights. So all the lights that are connected, it's time to test it. So the first step is opening the door. As you can see, this is the battery I'm using. And then the switch should be down there. So I'm gonna switch off the light, the torch. There we go. Switch on this light. There we go. It's right here. Click that. All the lights are on. Boom. Then switch off this. Oh yeah. This is what it looks like. Well, it's quite bright. The rear light shining. The front lights. Oh yeah. It's quite spicy. Close that door. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.